Number one in the charts, number one in your hearts, the F-Series pickup truck has been the best-selling vehicle in America for something like 40 years. And once you step inside an F-150, you're soon going to find out why. This one, nicely equipped, got a tow package, got some parking sensors back there also. And as we climb up inside, you're going to see this big crew cab Ford F-150 is nicely equipped, power windows and locks, automatic headlights. This one you can see has the gray cloth interior. Good amount of mileage on this one. It's actually under 100,000 miles. Got the steering wheel controls there. It has the AM, FM, and Sirius radio right there on the dash also. Joy FM rolling, and look, it's even a backup camera on there too. Here's the air conditioning controls heater, and it does have a USB port down there at the bottom. Overhead, a couple of sunglass holders as well as a control for the back window. You can see it does operate via power. As we step into the back, you're going to see what makes a crew cab so popular. Extremely roomy in the back seat, so you're not going to worry about putting anybody back there.